easy, healthy and tasty recipe, Harabhara Kebabs. They are really popular in India. For the ingredients, I have taken 1 cup of green dal which I have soaked in water for overnight. In that I have added half cup of pudina and half cup of palak which I have boiled for 10 minutes in water. Next I have taken 4 small potatoes boiled and grated. 1 tablespoon of ginger, green chili, garlic paste. 2 tablespoons of corn flour and 1 medium sized onion chopped. Salt as per taste and breadcrumbs for the coating. First I am going to add the moons, palak and pudina. The potatoes. The paste. I will also add corn flour, onions, salt, and next we have to mix it with our hand. Restaurant style Harabhara Kebabs are ready. Friends, do try these healthy recipes and don't forget to like,